Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is part 2 of my Europe tour. And for today, we're in Klein, Africa. It's a restaurant with a mini zoo inside. Kasi sabi ko kay Frank, gusto ko makakita ng alpaca. Kaya dinala niya ako dito. We're having our lunch here and yes, no rice. Hindi talaga normal ang rice dito, guys. I ordered pannekuchen. It's basically pancakes and pinili ko yung toppings na ham, bacon, yung mga maalat na I regret at the end kasi hindi ko maubos. Ang laki-laki kasi nung serving nila and ang alat nga nung mga napili kong topping. May entrance fee pala dito, guys, pero hindi ko na maalala kung magkano kasi hindi naman ako yung nagbayad. Princess yan! Alam niyo, gustong-gusto ko talagang pumunta ng zoo, pero yung mga zoo kasi sa Philippines, karamihan ang depressing, kawawa yung state ng mga animals. Dito, makikita mo na well taken care of yung mga animals. Ang luwag ng space nila to roam around. Ang cute-cute nila, no? Parang ang sarap-sarap ipet, pero actually, ayaw nilang lumapit kasi wala kaming dalang pagkain. Pwede kang bumili ng food nila dun sa entrance, kaso cash lang yung tinatanggap nila. Wala kaming dalang cash that time, kaya ayan, ayaw nilang magsilapit sa amin. Pero okay lang, cute pa rin nila. Pero ito, oh, ang cute-cute niya. Lumapit siya kahit wala kaming dalang pagkain. Hello, baby! Oh! Ang adorable talaga ng mga animals, no? Very innocent. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako dito, mag-ikot-ikot kahit medyo maputi kasi maulan nung araw na to. Maliit lang tong zoo na to, guys, and onti lang yung makikita mong animals. Pero okay na rin kasi nag-enjoy naman ako. Sobrang cute na cute ako sa mga animals. Parang gusto ko rin magkaroon ng sarili kong zoo. Hoy, hindi kaya yun, mahal. Tingnan mo itong mga baby na to, parang yan sa cartoon. Ang cute-cute. Sobrang grateful din ako kay Frank kasi talagang tinupad niya yung mga gusto ko. Sinend ko lang to sa kanya nung nasa Philippines pa ako. Aba, dinala nga talaga ako dito. I love you, baby! We're finally in Zanzibar. This is on top of my list ng mga places na dapat mapuntahan ko while I'm in the Netherlands. Kasi tingnan nyo naman, di ba? Sobrang ganda. Sumakto nga yung dating namin kasi paalis na yung mga tourist bus and nung pauwi na kami, saka lang nagdatingan yung ibang grupo ng mga tourist bus. This tend to get so crowded because it's so famous with the tourists. Pwede mo kasi tong side trip while you're in Amsterdam. Though I'm not sure how to commute from Amsterdam to here kasi naka-car kami, but I think you can take a train to go to Sandam and then maybe a bus from Sandam to Sansascon. Kasi upon arriving, we saw a lot of tourists hopping on and off at the nearby bus station. Sobrang nag-enjoy talaga ako dito. Ang chill lang, nakaka-relax. Kahit medyo madaming tao, hindi siya yung parang nakaka-overwhelm. Ang gaganda pa ng mga bahay, di ba? Parang bahay sa fairy tale. This is one of the tourist spot na alam mong babalikan mo ulit kasi nag-enjoy ka. It's not an expectation versus reality kind of thing kasi maganda talaga siya. You can do this as a side trip if you're in Amsterdam, but I suggest to allot a full day to go to Sandam and Sansascons. Itin kasi kung saglit lang kayo dito, ang daming picture spot kasi sobrang ganda talaga. We're in Sansascons. Baby, Sansascons? There's no entrance here, but if you want to go to the windmill, there's a €7 entrance. So we didn't do that because we're gonna buy food instead. We're finally in Utrecht! We went here via train. It's an hour train ride from Enschede to Utrecht. You know, I didn't research about this city at all and bihira lang din siya lumabas sa suggested city to visit in the Netherlands. Charlotte suggested to visit Utrecht first before going to Amsterdam. And she is right, this is a beautiful city. I actually enjoyed strolling around the city center. Even though it's raining and there are lots of people because we visited during the weekend, I still enjoyed it. This may trigger people who love Amsterdam, but if you're gonna ask me to choose between Amsterdam or Utrecht, I'm gonna choose Utrecht over Amsterdam. Utrecht is almost like Amsterdam, but on a chiller side. This is just based on my own personal observation when I'm there, huh? My baby, it's Utrecht. Utrecht.
Utrecht.
Baby hug, Utrecht.
Mhm.
How can I say I am here in Utrecht?
Ik ben hier in Utrecht.
Ik ben hier in Utrecht. I said that correctly. Finally, in Amsterdam, the most famous travel destination in the whole Netherlands. First impression upon arriving, sobrang ganda ng train station. Grabe, mapapaisip ka, train station pa ba yan o palasyo? Second impression, ang baho. Sorry. Sunod-sunod din kasi ang tindahan ng MJ dito kasi nga legal. Tapos, ang daming gumagamit. Hindi ako sanay sa amoy nun, kaya grabe, ang baho talaga. And since weekend kami nagpunta, sobrang daming tao. Hirap na hirap kami maghanap ng picture spot. You know, when I first told Frank that I wanted to visit Amsterdam because hello, it's famous. I wanted to see it with my own eyes. He said they don't like Amsterdam and they think the city is just overhyped. But of course, we're still gonna visit Amsterdam because I wanna see it. Ang ending, hindi ko rin siya masyadong nagustuhan. Oh my god, don't get mad at me guys. But of course, I will still come back kasi baka hindi ko talaga napuntahan yung magagandang spot sa Amsterdam because we have limited time. Hapon na rin kasi nung nagpunta kami and pagod na talaga sa biyahe. And you should definitely come and visit Amsterdam because it's still an experience. Just expect lang talaga na mas mataas yung presyo dito sa Amsterdam compared sa other cities. Welcome to Cologne, Germany! We're finally in Cologne! Cologne, Germany for our anniversary. You found? Welcome to Cologne! Wow, that's pretty. Out of all the places I visited during my entire stay in Europe, Cologne, Germany is my favorite. I left my heart in Cologne. The cathedral is breathtaking. Alam nyo, malayo pa lang kami. Yung tuktok pa lang yung nakikita namin. Parehas na kaming napawaw ni Frank. And nung nasa tapat na kami ng cathedral, sobrang speechless kami kasi sobrang ganda talaga. City center pa lang to napupuntahan namin ha. Paano pa yung ibang spot, di ba? What's that?
Bratwurst.
It's yummy. It's there. Grabe, ang sarap nung sausage na yun. Parang gusto ko nga mag-uwi sa Pinas, pero hindi ako sure kung pwede ba. Sabi ni Frank, kapag nasa Germany ka, kailangan mong tikman yun kasi famous yun sa Germany. Ito na ata ang pinakamagandang city center na napuntahan ko. Grabe, bawat sulok, Instagrammable. Whole day na yung inalat namin dito ha, pero parang bitin pa rin ako. Parang ang dami ko pa rin gustong puntahan, kaso hindi na kaya ng oras. Ang layo din kasi nito from Enschede, I think it's almost 3 hours drive. You can also take the train to go here, but Frank wanted to go via car. You should definitely add Cologne, Germany in your itinerary when you're in Europe, because I'm pretty sure it will also steal your heart. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in part 3.